Why does the enchanted emblem make everyone sneeze? Well, imagine a magical badge that makes you sneeze every time you tell a fib. It's like a truth detector. People in the village wore it to stay honest. But one day, a clever fox found it and wore it as a necklace. The fox sneezed so much that it accidentally sneezed out a rainbow. The villagers laughed and decided to keep the emblem as a fun game. Now they all wear it to see who can sneeze out the most colorful rainbows,